How's it going? My name is Jared. I'm with Freedom Power Sports here in McKinney. Today I'll be showing you this 2016 Can-Am Maverick Turbo that we took in. We do have a very wide selection of pre-owned inventory, so if you're not looking for a mud machine like this one and need something to work with or just get from point A to point B and have a good time doing it, definitely come on down and check us out. We've got plenty of them here, but today I'm going to go through everything that's on this machine. That way, if you are looking for a build like this, it'll help you decide if this is the one for you. So to start off, this has an 8-inch PCF lift on it. Custom cut 22-inch wheels with 37-inch BKTs. In that front differential, it does have a torque locker in there, so that way both your front tires will turn together when you're in four-wheel drive. Since this machine does have such a big lift on it, it does have the PCF side steps on here, hard dragon fire doors, custom seats. This machine is fully snorkeled, so that way whenever you do get in the really deep water and mud, you don't have any trouble with this machine breathing. This also has an STM primary clutch, so that way when you do get in the really thick mud with these big tires, you don't have any trouble turning them. Moving back, he has added the red LED whip lights, rock lights, interior lights, custom front and rear bumpers, JL audio system, LED backup lights, as well as the light bars on the front, so that way when you're night riding, playing music, you have no issue seeing where you're going, and everyone knows you're there because of this audio system. This thing hits. It sounds really good. Come on down and check it out. We're located in McKinney, just off of 75, just north of 380. Our address is 2110 North Central Expressway. It's McKinney, Texas 75070, and our phone number is 972-562-2077. Again, my name is Jared. Come on down and check this thing out. This is an awesome machine and it's ready to go to a new home. I want to say thank you again, guys. I look forward to seeing you soon.